guys, I'm Iman and I work for UBCO students. You guys might see me and my coworkers a lot on our Instagram page. I hope we brought joy to your life because I'm graduating, so I'm not working here anymore. We're at the end of April and graduation is in June. Last semester or this semester, I put up a blog and it was a grad bucket list. Me being me, I'm not really organized, and as soon as I hit 4th year, I was like, oh my god, there's so many things that I haven't done and things that I should do, things that you guys should indulge in before you graduate, you know, like student discounts and all of that. I did a list. You guys, I don't know if you guys read it. I hope you guys read it, but you guys can check it down below. All right, so yes, I made the list. Did I do everything on the list? No, I did not. Because if that was how life would be, I would not be here grinding for my degree. I probably would be on an island that I own. Girl, sometimes things don't work out the way you want to, and that's okay. That's okay. Instead, I did a couple other things that's not on the list that I personally liked. And before we get all into that, I'm gonna sit down and talk with you guys while scrapbooking. Printed off some pictures of me throughout the school year, and there's also some pictures of me during my first year or second year because it took 4 years to get this degree. So even though we're graduating this year, we should still appreciate the years that we've went through. Okay, period. My bucket list, I had like this thing where I was gonna make like a time capsule, and I don't think this is the exact same thing because it's like on a book. But anyway, we're gonna go through the list and see what I did and what I didn't do, but things that I did do that's not on the list, and try to maximize your experience when you're graduating. So sit down, grab some treats, grab your own scrapbook, grab, I don't know, whatever you want to do, whatever you love to do, and let's spend our time together. So I have my monitor in front of me, and I'm just gonna go through my blog really quick. I think I've done about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So based off of the list, I did 5 out of 8, which is really good because that's above half. Like, girl, we're passing. I'm not graded, but I passed. Anyway, I didn't do everything, but like, you know, sometimes that's just the way life goes. Hashtag Biba Dooey, love her songs. Also, I'm like a major procrastinator, so it's not surprising that I didn't do everything because a lot of stuff have dates and deadlines. So I'm sorry. Anyway, I have proof of the things that I did do and pictures of me just having fun, because school isn't just about academics. Do whatever you like to do, guys. Like, literally in this kind of like phase in your life, I don't think you guys should police yourselves in terms of like, I need to go to Commons and do this. Tomorrow I'm gonna go to the library and do this. Girl, like, it's okay. You can take a breather, spend time doing things that you love as well. If you just love to study, good for you, but I do think that you should mix up a couple things in your life just for variety, some color. When you're looking back, different experience that you've gone through, it's just pretty. So in my bucket list, I did go to the food skills workshop. Me and Tickets went together. It was so good. It was Korean tofu. I don't really like tofu, but it was so good. And guys, it's free. Literally just show up and show out. That's the like dinner for the day. Love you picnic. I also went to Glow with the Flow. Like, I personally am not an active kind of girl. She's not me, I'm not her, but I met a couple people there and I just went. It was honestly wasn't giving yoga, it was giving Zumba. I feel like that was something I would never do, but I did do, and it was fun. I think I judged too hard, guys. It's an annual thing, it's free. If you go with your friends, I bet it'd be more exciting. Like, yeah, I'm friends with them now. This isn't my best look, let's just put it that way, but it was exciting nonetheless. Anyway, I've been talking so much, I haven't even started. Throughout the year, I always like took pictures in like the elevator every time I'm going to like my work meetings. I love taking 0.5 pictures there, so I'm gonna put that in here in my scrapbook. And while we do that, we can talk more. Sorry guys, I'm also not a multitask. I can't multitask. So we'll try. I went to like a heat game. I did go to heat games before. My soul wasn't in there, okay? I came and went, but like this time I was like, you know what? Give me that foam finger right now. Give me that foam finger right now. And she posed with it. In our bucket list, I didn't go to the trivia at the well. If I had time to see what trivia they had, it was just like, it's not my alley, guys. Sorry. And I know I said it like you guys can find people to just do it with. That's just not me. And that's okay. That's okay. I'm just not that kind of girl. And we can grow to be that girl, but that time isn't now. And that's fine, that's fine. Next on my bucket list, I said to maximize your insurance usage. And girl, I did. I got contacts, although I'm not wearing right now, but I got contacts and I went to Specsavers. And as soon as I'm there, they're like, are you under UBC? I was like, yeah. You get student coverage unless you already used it. And I was like, no, I haven't. And then blah, blah, like they know, they put you on. Okay, sometimes people want to be scamming you and like take your money, but these people are really nice. Like they tell you about the insurance, they tell you about this coverage, and they actually encourage you to like use it up as much as you can. And that's what I did. Thank you, Specsaver in Orchard Park. Love you. I went to like the Southeast Asia Club Gala and I took a picture of their photo booth. They didn't have like physical prints, but you could like download it. And I went and print the picture myself. Here's a picture of me and Tina. Tina, if you're watching this, you're in here. Yeah, isn't that cute? Isn't that cute? So I'm gonna put it in here. Anyway, in my bucket list, I talked about wanting to play tours in Kelowna. I will do that, just not now. I want to do it in the summer because I'm graduating, so my family's coming and stuff. I'm doing it with them. I'm gonna put it in the corner. I don't know. That's what we have. Literally, we only have one thing right now. This is after I finished my last exam ever, like my last final last week. Anyway, I'm gonna actually put this in here. Oh my god, see, this is when you're too ambitious, you say so many things you want to do and you just don't do it. And that's why the bucket list never got completed, you know? But that's fine because as you can see, I did other things. I also went tubing with my friends. UBC, they have like these bus trips to go to like Big White or something. And you can go like snowboarding or skiing and stuff. I like tubing. I went with my friends on that trip, even though I never intended to do so. But I went and it was so fun. So that's the bucket list that I put out into the world. You guys can follow the bucket list or you guys can make your own. I personally encourage everyone to do a bucket list. It doesn't even have to be like as serious either. In your bucket list, you can make like a challenge or something. If you don't have anyone to do it with, that's okay as well. After I took so many pictures in the elevator of like the 0.5s, it doesn't feel much. Like, girl, I'm not discovering gravity, but it sure feels good. You can do literally anything you want. It's your bucket list. So you choose, and that's what I did. Don't stress yourself so much about having to find like a job or going to master's, grad school, finishing up like graduate, blah. Like, sure, they have priorities too, but you should put yourself as a priority as well. And I think you guys should really breathe in, take in stuff, and do things that matter to you, things that you know will make you happy. And yeah, that's everything from me. Check out our channel, check out our Instagram page, please. Okay, bye bye.